Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files from iCloud Drive to Google Drive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer files from iCloud Drive to Google Drive, start by opening your internet browser. Go to the iCloud website at www.icloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, click on the iCloud Drive icon. Locate the files or folders you want to transfer. Select the files by clicking on them. To download the selected files, click on the download icon, usually represented by a downward arrow. Choose a location on your computer to save the downloaded files. Next, open another tab in your browser and go to www.drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once logged in, you will see your Google Drive interface. To upload files, click the New button located on the left side. Select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the location on your computer where you saved the downloaded files. Select the files you want to upload and click Open. Wait for the upload process to complete. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the files are uploaded, they will appear in your Google Drive. You can now organize them into folders, if desired. To ensure everything has transferred successfully, check that the files open properly. Congratulations, you have now transferred files from iCloud Drive to Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.